Okay, so today we are actually going into a little bit of fractions, just a little bit, and a little bit more on some rounding of numbers, and one type of problem solving. It's called grouping in sets. Very easy. Today's lesson is very easy. All right, very easy. But before going through that, I want to show you last week's homework. So last week we have a couple of homework that we never, it's not homework lah, okay, it's homework. All right, there's a couple of homework or questions that we never managed to do. So we are just going to do it right now. Is that okay? Not okay also must do it, okay? Okay, so last week, right, we were talking about this type of question. What is this about? This is talking about the 4 operations, right? So when we talk about the 4 operations, remember, all right, when we talk about the 4 operations, the order of operations, remember this? Order of operation, right? First, you have to take out the packet of flour. After that, you pour the flour into a sieve, and you sieve out the small flour, and the big flour you have to throw it away. After you sieve up the smooth flour, what happen? You add in your egg yolk. After that, you mix them up together. All right, then into a paste. You put it in the fridge. You take it out. You mold it. You put a little pineapple inside. After that, you bake it. It becomes pineapple tart. That's called the order of operation. You must know step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. All right. You all don't eat pineapple tart lah. Okay, never mind. It's only me. All right, it's only me. That's why my size never becomes smaller. It's always big. Right, because I love to eat pineapple tarts. All right. Oh. Okay, so that's not an important thing. The important thing is we need to know what to do first. Like number 1, if there's a bracket, we have to do the bracket first. Right, bracket is number 1. All right. Number 2 is your multiplication and your division. And number 3 is your plus and minus. All right. And please remember, oh, go. Let me, if your battery is low, can you please go and bring your charger? Yes. All right. Or can you try to think of a way to charge it? Like by staring at your laptop, maybe you charge. Will you charge by staring at the laptop? Okay, I don't think so. Okay, for times and divide and plus and minus, right? If they are on the same line, remember must do from left to right. All right, just like reading a storybook. All right, just like reading a English storybook. We read from left to right. Why do I say English storybook? It's because sometimes, right, do you know that in a long time ago, Chinese, right, Chinese storybooks, they read from right to left one. Yeah. And yes, Ming Yi, my goodness, Jasmine, yes, all right. I talk so much, you all gave me the answer already. Answer is 28. Good job. All right, hello, Sky. Your name is called Sky. Such a beautiful name. So how are you feeling today, Sky? Oh, I'm a little bit gloomy. There's the rain coming. And I'm just kidding. All right. Let's go back to this question. All right, children. All right. So this type of question is related to the order of operations, right? The focus, zoom in. You must focus on the bracket first. So the bracket, this part must do first. I don't care. 7 plus 2 is a 9. And the rest, right? The rest, just copy. All right. Don't you love to copy? Next. Who do you do next? Oh, I must do times or divide. Down here got times, and down here got divide. Then how? Never mind. Do the times first, do the divide. Do from left to right. 9 times 3, 27. All right. 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay, then the rest that is never touched, right? Bring it down. And the last step, oh, sure. I have plus and minus. Do from left to right. 3 plus 27, 30 minus 2. All right, 30 minus 2. And that's how Jasmine and Mingy, right, Mingy? Yes, got the answer of 28. Beautiful. All right, so this is like your first topic in your mathematics. All right, you should master it. This is very, very important. All right, must know. Oh, Tanisha. Right. Yeah, Tanisha is such a beautiful name also. Right. I thought, hey, why got new name called Sky? Right. So my nickname is called Fern. Right? I am a living plant. And you know that fern is a plant? Right, just to let you know, fern is a plant. It's not a mushroom. It's not a fungi, please, children. Anything that is green is a plant. All right. So that's how you remember it. Yes, Darius, I saw your answers in the bracket. Your working actually. Beautiful. Okay, come. Question number 8 is done. This is from the previous week homework. This is from the previous week homework. Let's look at the next question. Question 9. All right, this is also from the previous week homework. All right, so if you had tried, you should have know the answer. First of all, focus on what? Focus on the bracket. And you zoom into the bracket. Why must zoom in? Ding, 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 ding. The bracket got multiplication. Must do the multiplication first. So inside the bracket, got multiplication must do first. And the rest, just copy. Ding, 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 ding. Well, imagine you do math, right? Got sound effect one. How would you feel? I think you feel excited, right? Okay. Maybe it's only me lah. Hey, Jer, the bracket is still down there. Oh, yeah. Then just continue to do the bracket. So just on the bracket, right, I was doing the what? Just on the bracket, I was doing the times first. Yes, Mingyi, I saw your answer. Very good, very fast. All right, I think you did your homework last week, right? Good job. All right, answer is correct, just to let you know. 26 minus 20 is a 6. Then the rest, you copy again. Seriously. Right, so irritating, this music thing, right? All right, so now what do you have? You have divide times plus and plus. You must do what? The divide and times first, and you must do from left to right. So 72 divided by 6. 72 divided by 6 will give you a 12. All right, and the rest you must copy down. All right, then after that, you still have to do the times. You still have to do the times. All right, so 12 times 4 is 48. Then the rest, you still continue to copy down. Wow, very tired. Then down here, what do you have? You have plus and plus. Do from left to right. 48 plus 1 is 49. Then and eventually your answer will be 58. It's exactly what Jasmine, Calista, Darius, and Mingyi gave. Very good. That's why when you do math, right, children, you must have some joy in doing it. All right, you must have some fun. If not, the question look at you. You look back at the question. There's no love. You must look at the question. You know, there must be some electricity coming out. All right, and you fall in love with the question. All right, sorry. Drama only happens in what? Burns movie, right? Yeah. So next time I be a director, you all know, right? If I talking about math, then you know, example the questions, the math questions, falling in love with the math question. You all know that the director is me. All right, so this was the question from last week, right? Not too difficult, not too difficult. Another question. Hello, Zender. What's up? All right, and also we had Jovi joining us. Hello, Jovi. All right, so I'm going through last week's homework. So we had done a couple of questions. Question 8. All right, if you want, you can take a quick picture. Question 8. All right, we have done question 9. And we are now going into the extra question, which is, I also gave as homework. All right, but I don't think I show you. All right, so you can all try this question together. Okay, come, question number 10. Let's go. Try. My goodness, Jasmine. First girl who got it. Le Ming, second. Okay, come, Jasmine. Annotation, go.
No, it's because I was spamming the send button and then never send.
Too bad. Jasmine, go. Annotation, go. Darius, try again. You can. You want to write? You want to try writing, Jasmine? The one. Okay, next one. Le Ming, can you please write for us all? Annotate. The annotation is on. Do you want to write? You can annotate. Do you want to try to annotate, Le Ming? Yes, look at that. Oh, yeah. Jovi, you're eating, no problem. Yeah, eat first, okay?
3
I know
times
that this
2
type.
equals 6.
Write down. Yeah, Jovi, as I was saying, yes, you are eating. Yeah, go ahead, eat. Later than on your video, okay? Jasmine, it's okay. Yeah, I know that you cannot write properly. Because I know it's very hard to write with the mouse one. It's very scary. Yeah, luckily I have a writing pad. Calista, your answer is correct. Good job. Smart girl. Darius, your answer no leh. Darius, check answer. Hey, Darius. Jovi, your answer also not correct, Jovi. Yo, try again. Hey, the rest, Tanisha. Where's your answer? Right, before, Kalista, don't write. It's learning writing. Kalista, wait. I asked Leming to write. Yeah, okay. Mingy, do you know the answer?
I
Darius,
don't
no,
know
don't
how
guess,
to write.
I do not write, Okay. Okay, then, oh my goodness, so excited. Then who's the next one, You see Leming. Oh, Kalista, you want to write or not? Kalista, go. Yeah, Leming don't write. He say his handwriting also, the mouse very hard to control. Kalista, do you want to write? Oh, you see? Kalista, you're writing. Go ahead, Kalista. Mingy, no. Try again. You still got time. Oh, Tanisha. Yes. Smart girl. Slow and steady. Very good. Oh, only Kalista can write, You see her step by step? Beautiful. That's a bracket. Okay. That's a multiplication. You see, it's okay, children. Oh, you must learn to write on the screen. Imagine your teacher asks you to come up to write on the board. Xander, okay, can. Yeah, can. You see? So what Kalista is doing also, like, she's doing my method. She focus on the 3 times 2 first. Then she get the 6. Then the rest she write out. You see? Yeah. This one look, confirm is burn student. Correct. Then look, later she will do which part. You see, she will do the bracket. You see? Then after that she write a 4. Then she will copy the rest again. Oh, you're confirm. Jovi, no, try again. Yeah, I think you must put some food in first. I mean, put some food into your mouth, Don't put it into don't pour it into your computer, Later your computer spoil, don't blame me, Then you see, Kalista will write down everything again. Then after that, Kalista focus on there's the divide, the plus, and the time. So she focus on the divide. All right. Then her mental sum will tell her that it is 12. Then after that, she copy down everything else. My goodness. Very good. This girl. Next time I just throw question, okay? Then y'all just answer, right? Then y'all tuition yourself. Then I can sit back and eat chocolates. Then she focus on the 8. Then after that, she copy again. Plus. Then 12. All right. Therefore, answer is 20. Beautiful, Kalista. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Mingy, you got the answer already. You got the answer before Kalista finished. Good job. Thank you so much, Kalista. All right, so children, as you can see, right, don't be afraid to write. Even though the handwriting, do you think it's the best? I don't think so. I think Kalista got beautiful handwriting. Right, when she write during the school, right, during the school homework and all this, I think she got beautiful handwriting. But it's just that writing with a mouse is not easy. It's not easy, really. All right, so next time must try, children. Don't be afraid. Just give it a shot. And thank you, Kalista. Thank you so much. All right, so this is the working. It's exactly what I would do. All right, but I don't want to show it to you already. Right, because it's exactly what I would do. Right, I don't want to repeat. Right, she did a perfect work. Can? All right, so if you need to take down, you take down quickly. If not, I'll be going to the next question. But before going to the next question, I will want to delete this one because I cannot save the annotation. All right, I need to delete it. Can? All right, anyway, it's saved as part of the video. So you can visit Kalista handwriting, her beautiful art next time. Can? All right, so I delete already, Yes, Jovi, do you get it? Do you get it, Jovi? All right, Jovi must get it, All right, the rest got it already. Jovi, okay? Jovi, are you okay? Okay. Did he say okay? No, he never say. Jovi, are you okay? Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you for your reply. Okay, so this question done. Okay, next question. Next question is also one question from the previous week homework. All right, I don't know I got show you this or not. All right, but let's discuss about this. All right, this one is moving into something called today's topic also. It's a little bit of grouping into sets. Remember last week we did something called grouping in sets? Yeah, so today we'll continue with a little bit of grouping in sets. All right, so let's carry on the lesson a little bit faster. All right, so we have to group them in sets. So what's happening? Oh, sure, Mingy, go ahead. Please go and get some water to drink. Go. All right? The first page of the comic is